everyone, I'm Will, and today I'm going to show you how to roast up some wild lettuce. But before that, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. Right here we have some wild lettuce of the Canadensis species, and there's multiple plants right here. So when you have found any of the species that is of lettuce, you can use it in this recipe. So what we're going to be using for this recipe is wait for the plant to like flower a little bit and like get a flowering stalk, not flower. So we're going to be going for the whole entire stalk. So you want to like take your thumb and your pointer finger, go down at the base and pop the whole entire thing off. This will keep growing. It will grow another stalk, and we can use this to make our roasted wild lettuce. If you want to start foraging today, go down in the description, click the link to my website, and get the starter pack to foraging to get all the books and equipment you need to start foraging today. So when you're inside, you want to like wash your lettuce and then rip it up, or you can chop it up. I ripped it up and stick it. You can do this in the oven or a toaster oven. I'm doing it in a toaster oven, and you want to preheat the toaster oven to 450 degrees, about that. And while that's preheating, in a bowl you are going to want to take some garlic, can be fresh or minced garlic, about a half a tablespoon of minced garlic, some olive oil, about a tablespoon and a half, red pepper flakes to taste, some balsamic vinegar, about a half a tablespoon, and some maple syrup. If you have local maple syrup, better. About a half a tablespoon of that, and mix it up. Then with your sauce, drizzle it over the top. And if you are doing this in a toaster oven, by now, after a couple minutes, it'd be ready to it's all preheated and it's ready to go in. And cook this for 10 to 15 minutes until about it starts getting crispy. It's been 10 minutes, and let's pull it out. Oh, look at that. Let this rest for about 3 to 5 minutes before serving. Now it's been 5 minutes, and you want to now serve it. Oh, it's a little crispy on there. And after you have served it up, finish it off with a little bit of lemon juice. Look at this. Oh, it smells amazing. Let's try. Just feeling with the fork and listening. There's a crunch kind of sound to it. Let's taste it. Very bold flavor right off the bat. And it's amazing. Slight bitterness, just a little bit, not overwhelming. In a good way of a bitter. And the tartness from the vinegar is pairing very well with the flavor of the garlic and the sweetness from the maple syrup. That combination, fantastic. There's a nuttiness coming from it. Almost like a nuttiness that you get from walnuts. There's slightly that when you're finishing the bite. Like when you swallow, the walnut flavor is slightly there, just a hint. And that's how you roast up some wild lettuce. If you want to see more, go down in the description, click the link to my channel, or press the round subscribe button to help me out to get to 10,000 subscribers. And next time, remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.